Let's talk about Vivo X100. It's launched on November 2023. The Vivo X100 height 6.46 inches, width 2.96 inches, thickness 8.5 mm. The weight is 202 grams and the build front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of Vivo X100, it comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type and the screen size is 6.78 inches with 90.3% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1.5K and the refresh rate is 120Hz with 3000 nits peak of brightness. The protection of Vivo X100, it's come with Corning Gorilla Glass. Let's go to the platform. It's come with Android 14 operating system. The MediaTek Dimensity 9300 chipset and the CPU is octa-core Cortex X4 with Immortalus G720 GPU. The memory of this device, it comes with 12 and 16 gigs of RAM and 256, 512 and 1 TB of ROM. No SD card and nano memory card support in this mobile. Let's talk about the camera of Vivo X100. It comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom. And it's record 8K 30fps video with main cameras. The selfie camera is 32 megapixel and it record 4K 30fps video with selfie camera. The battery backup of X100, it comes with 5000 mAh battery with 100 watt wired fast charging, no wireless charging and 10 watt reverse wired charging. The common sensor feature, it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 4.0 and IP68 dust and water resistant. The Vivo X100 price is $650.